Yeah, they're pretty close.
Damn, I can't wait to get retired.
Yeah. Hey, she said she wants to get a picture with your car.
Bro, that would go pretty nice.
Well, I had air ride.
Oh, you just ran out of work.
But, you know, the guy just gives me one instruction,
We got to build a twin turbo V8 now. Yeah.
If I only had one, it would look like this. But I got 9. So
You gotta get in now, dude.
Cool. That color. That color.
try to style, bro.
That's cool.
Let's take the whole fucking loop over there. So let's go. Boys.
What we doing?
I got a couple races for you.
I ain't racing nobody.
I got a couple races for you in the Super.
Hell, he's all running tonight. Or the EG or the STI tonight. The EG hats or him tonight. I ain't running. I'll blow my shit up and cry the rest of the week.
You looking for car parts tomorrow morning?
Run it. Look at that. Hell yeah. Ooh! I'm in trouble. Are you? Oh. Oh shit, we out for the rest of the night then.
A newer Subaru at least.
Look at you.
Now look at me.
Never say never.
Me and Josh built one of these after
Yeah, sure did. Well, we got the harness swap. We're gonna throw everything back on and try to start it. Should we check the mail? Yeah.
Doesn't mean on my basement. Gotta wait for me.
Thinking about the day, the last time I saw your face. I only wish I could've told you come with me on the plane. Makes you wanna murder, grind, love, all in one. Emotion, promise I will always be there for your stuff. Sometimes I just wanna switch roles and change gears. Like I wish that I was gone and you were right here. Emotion, mind overflowing. I wish that I could turn it off, but it keep going. I wish that I could hit the brake, but I keep rolling. And if they're talking down, prepare for the chosen one. You just begun, I've been doing this shit since mid-head the flip. You too new to shit to be a threat. Ball speeds on the track and knock you off the map like that. Midnight and it's hard to breathe. Can't remember the last time I was night. Midnight and it's hard to breathe. Midnight and it's hard to breathe.
Got him! Oh, look at the injury!